Voting for Zilla Panchayat polls in Goa, which has 203 candidates in the fray contesting for 48 constituencies, began on Saturday morning. The polling process began at 8 am and is scheduled to conclude at 5 pm. The ZP poll is the first major polling exercise in the state since the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. The BJP has fielded 43 candidates while the Congress fielded 38 candidates, followed by Aam Aadmi Party and MGP with 17 each. There are also 79 independent candidates in the fray. Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant on Saturday morning cast his vote for Zilla Panchayat elections. After casting his vote, CM Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said the following: "Let us come together and strengthen our democracy, urging all voters to exercise your democratic right to vote for the Zilla Panchayat election 2020 to drive Goa's rural development. Let us work together for a Swayambhurna Goa," CM Dr. Pramod Sawant posted. Porvorim MLA Rohan Khaute cast his vote on Saturday morning. Here's what Porvorim MLA Rohan Khaute said after voting.
Voting जय BJP नाल्या हांका कमी आसा थंय it slowed down, like very slow they are doing it, and the machinery I believe is being used. I wouldn't make a direct charge as of now. आणि एक वरान right now it's about 10:15, 10:30. So maybe another 1 hour we'll know the trend what it is. But I feel voters have been coming out. गोंयच्या दृष्टिकोनांतल्यान जे विशय गोंयकारांक दुखता ते फुडली कळ कितें आसा ते आयच्या इलेक्शनाक स्थायीक जातली. What people feel should come out in the vote, and that vote will tell what is going on, if voting happens in a right percentage.
So 2021ची निवडणूक जातली ताका सेमी फायनल म्हणून पळयले वता ह्या निवडणुकीत जिल्हा पंचायत.
Every election has its own value, so I wouldn't call it a semi-final or whatever. But today's issue जे ज्वालन गोंयचे विशय आयच्या तारखेन आसा ताका डिस्क्रायब करपाक गोंयच्या बद्दल लोकांनी भायर येवनूच मत मारपाक जाय, जाल्यारूच प्रॉपर थॉट्स जाता. Giving everybody is on the road agitated, that needs to be converted into votes. So that is on the people of Goa today. So I call upon the people of Goa to vote wisely and come across all political lines to ensure that Goa is safe. ताज्या खातीर ताजें मत तितलेंच इम्पॉर्टंट आसा जे विशय तो आपले स्वताचे मांडटा गोंया खातीर नाल्यार आपल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी खातीर. दे हॅव टू एन्श्योर दॅट दे वोट. परवरी खातीर डेव्हलपमेंट हॅज बीन ऑलवेज द मंत्र, and we have always been with our people have been with us. So we expect people to come out in numbers and vote. Only machinery which is being used, we will know in some time whether they are actually slowing it down or it's what is the issue.
BJP आणि काँग्रेस आणि तातूंत इंडिपेंडंट आसा, सो ही चॅलेंजींग आसा तुमकां जी दिसता निवडणूक ते
आमकां हांव अपक्ष आनी हांव सदांच म्हणटा की लोक म्हणटा ती आमची खरी शक्ती. त्या शक्तीच्या बळानूच 2012च्यान आतां 8 वर्सां जालीं वी आर रनिंग आवर पार्ट इन पोरवोरीम, वेर पीपल ऑफ पोरवोरीम हॅव गिवन faith on what we are doing. आमी accountability, transparency and participatory process of the whole development also, that is what Porvorim where it is. The trust factor is very important, and I think that will work very favorably for people who would like to do development, not only play with people with politics.
Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.